Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to add or update your meal preference on your United Airlines account, so you can enjoy the right meal during your flight. Before your next United Airlines flight, make sure you're packed like a pro. Check out our ultimate travel packing list, everything you need for a smooth, stress-free trip. We've linked our favorite travel essentials in the description below. To start, go to united.com, then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. On the field provided, enter your email or mileage plus number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter the password. Then click on Sign In. A verification code will be sent to the number connected on your account. Enter the 6-digit code on the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says View My United. Click on View My United. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. Then, a drop-down list will appear. From the options provided, click on the option that says Special Preferences and Accommodations. You will then be redirected to this page. From here, scroll down a little. Under Meal Preference, you will see a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow to see the options. From the list provided, click on the option you wish to select. After selecting the meal preference, scroll down until you see a section for Search Preferences. On the first field provided, enter your home airport. Next, on the second field, select your cabin class. Then on the third field, enter your fare type, but it is only optional. You may have to select the date and time format preference too. Click on the options you wish to select. Lastly, click on the Save button. That's how you add your meal preference on your United Airlines online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.